The weekly code quiz. What is line height? Line height is used to set the height of each line of text. To understand line height, let's review this illustration of typeface terminology. The baseline is where the letters sit. What is the cap height? The cap height is the distance between the baseline to the top of flat capitalized letters. What are ascenders and descenders? Ascenders are letters that extend above the cap height, while descenders extend below the baseline. What is the leading? When you have two lines of text, the leading is the distance between the descender of the line above to the ascender of the line below. Why is it called leading? The term leading came from when typography was set with metal type. Strips of lead were placed between the lines of metal type. The greater the leading, the more spacing between lines of type. How does line height and font size differ? The line height is the closest to the concept of leading with web typography. The font size is the distance between the ascender and the descender. The line height is the distance between the descender and the descender of the line of type above. The difference between the font size and the line height is the leading. So by adjusting the line height, we adjust the spacing between lines of text. Just like font size, it can take many length and size units. However, it can also take a unitless value that will act as a multiplier and is often the best option. How do we use a unitless value for line height? By using a unitless value, the font size is multiplied to result in the line height. Why do we need to adjust the line height? The purpose of setting the line height is to space apart the lines of text to make them easier to read. A typical value is 1.3 to 2, the equivalent to double spacing. Presented by Designers Learn Code.